Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more Montauk Avenue videos. And today I'm making 3 more juices, and these juices are again just good for your well-being and your wellness. The first juice I'm making, I'm using some pineapple and some oranges and some lime and some ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pineapple, and I'm putting the orange in, I'm putting the lime in, and the ginger. We're gonna go ahead and we are going to juice this up. And we have about 10 ounces here, so that's good. You know, the pineapple and the orange and the lime has a lot of water content, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and try this lovely juice. Remember, we have pineapple and we have oranges and lime and ginger. So let's try it. Oh, this is good. I don't even think I had this combination. You know, of course it's sweet because of the pineapple. This is good. Definitely, whether you're new to juicing or not, you definitely love this juice. Okay, let's get on to our second juice. Now, our second juice, we are using some beets, okay? We are using some carrots, we are using some turmeric, and we are using some oranges. I'm going to put the oranges in first, and the turmeric, and the carrots, and the beets. So I have 10 ounces, so we're gonna go ahead and try this lovely juice. So remember, we had beets, we had carrots, we had turmeric, we had orange, okay? And we are going to try this lovely juice. This is good. I like it. I love beet juice. I love it. This is good. This is really good. Okay, let's get to our third juice. So this juice, I am using some spinach, some cucumber, green apple, I'm using some ginger, I'm using some lemon. I'm going to put the lemon in first, putting the cucumbers in, putting the spinach in, putting the apples in, and the ginger. Right, and we are going to go ahead and juice this up. We are going to go ahead and try the third juice. And remember, we used spinach, we used green apple, we use ginger, we use cucumber, okay? We use lemon. So let's try this lovely green juice. I would probably add a little more green apple to it, but that's my preference. Remember, you can tweak juices the way you want to. And as always, my lovely divines, I hope you enjoyed these 3 lovely recipes, and I look forward to bringing you plenty more videos just like this one and others. And be sure to check out my other juicing videos. And as always, I want you to continue to be well, continue to be true to yourself. Peace, divines.